Welcome. This episode, we're going to be building part 1-C8F Reverser Arm Latch Lever. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to work on the part 1-C8F Reverser Arm Latch Lever. So let's first open up templates MMGS. Save 1-C8F. We're in assembly. 1-C8F. Override. And yeah, I started one by did things hard. So this is an interesting piece. I tried to do the whole thing in one go and cut away, but that was causing issues. So I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to do a piece by piece and then join it together. So first off, let's go top plane, sketch, and we want to have, we'll put one rectangle, two rectangles. Fine. That's going to be okay. It's going to be 2 mil thickness, 2 mil, 2 mil, and that's going to be 6 apart. Six. Beautiful. Now get out of that. This point here and this point here will be vertical. This point will be vertical. Thank you. Okay, now the whole width will be, well, whole length, sorry, this way, will be 18 plus 3 plus 3. 24 it should be. Yep, it is. What we got there? There's we. Let me put this piece and this piece will be tangent. There we go. Now it's locked in place. I can't move it. Perfect. Now this will be 6 millimeters high. So we go feature, extrude, mid plane, which I don't think. You know what? I'm just going to go to blind 6 mil and okay. Okay, that's a start. Let's have a look now. That's looking good. Oop. So now we want to have let's see. It's got me, let me go top plate. There we go. There's got to be a curve here. Like a same 3 mil. Sorry, 2 mil. Hold on. Did I do 2 mil on that? I did. I just want to make sure. There's going to be like a half circle there. Going to join together. But this part here, it's going to go up angle. But this is going to be more refined. So I'm thinking, let's go to the side one. And let's do. Ooh, actually, no, let's not do. Let's do this side. Let's actually do the top. Let's see now. Let's go to the top. Because where this one goes in the angle, measure from the top. Actually, no, we can actually do it. No. Actually, let's go this way. Sorry. So let's do sketch. That's going to be, come on. Thank you. Going to be, actually, this is going to be curved around, so. Ooh. It's still box from there to about there roughly. Sketch. That's going to be from there to there should be 10.5. It looks right. Yep. That's cool. So that's good. That can stay there because that's going to be further. It's going to get trimmed out, so that's fine. The distance there is not a problem. But what we're going to do is extrude, flip it over, through all, which puts it to the end there. We need to cut this out in a minute, but let me just do this. There's so many ways you can do this, so many ways. First off, there's now do a half circle. So let's go to sketch, the 3.1. Go there, that's good. So that one, and those 3 points are going to be vertical, which is perfect. This edge is going to touch this edge as tangent. This point and this edge will be coincident. There we go. That's perfect. Now this is going to be halfway minus 2. Because the curve in the curve is halfway. Let me do a line. Oh, that one does that. There, beautiful. Those two are going to be tangent. That point and this line is going to be coincident. There we go. Now we want what's that again? 24. So it's going to be 22. This point here. Sorry, sketch. Hard to mention. Oh, look, we had something highlighted. You just make sure nothing's highlighted. That point. Oh, what happened? Oh, I went out of it. Went too far. Add sketch. There we go. That point. Hard to mention. So this point here. Oh, I think it does automatically. Okay, so if I do that, try again. Oh, there we go. There we go. Which was what I said. 22. Not 22, 11, sorry. Gonna be half. Hold on, no, not 11, sorry. 18, 9, 21, 24. Half is 12, so it's gonna be 10, sorry, 10. Because it's 24 there, but it's gonna be 2 off from the sentence. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Let's go trim, because I do want to get rid of that trim, thank you. I do want to get rid of that one. There we go. Now this here and this here has to go. So now if we go line tool, let's go up. Now I could have done the edge there, but it's gone touch there and this causes troubles. I do it that way. This doesn't have any certain measurement because all this is locked in. Okay, so now we got extrude cut, through all, and done. There we go. So that is there done. It looks like a truck or something. Okay, so now we want. I won't cut that out just yet, actually. Let's cut that out now. Let's just cut that out now. We always delete later if it has the issues. So, normal 2. Whoop. Sorry. I hit it. Sketch. We want this triangle. There. To there. That lines up that one, so that should be locked in. Now it's feature, extrude, through all, and done. There we go. You have a hole going through there, but we're not going to worry about the hole right now. Let's now look at the top of this one. But now we want to go on this part here. Yeah. Let's do this. Actually, hold on. Sketch. No, not sketch. Actually, sketch, yeah. Let me undo that one. With that one. Let me put that point to that line and make it coincident. Okay. And exit sketch. There we go. We've got to put a curve there, so that's why I got rid of that. Otherwise, that's going to be in the way. We have quick save. Now we're going to start on this point here, I believe. What? So sketch. Want a circle. You want two half circles like that. Beautiful. Okay, outside one's gonna be, actually inner one's gonna be 3 radius, and the outside one, which is inside the one now, is gonna be 5 radius. There we go. So if we look any further, these ones here need to be vertical. Okay. Now, this point and this point will goes tangent. There we go. They all line up. Now, can I move sideways? Yep. I can't move up and down. Perfect. Now, this point here, actually, its center is going to be for this here. This circle here, the tangent there, the outer edge will be center. So we want measure smart dimension from this point. I can get hold of that point. Do that one. Nope, that's not what I want. Nope, too far. Try that again. Try this line. Okay, let's try this. That being curved, it might be buggerizing on that. That one. Do that one. There we go. Now, halfway is 12. Let's just type 12 in for now. The radius of 3, so it's going to be -3, which should be 9. And that should be halfway. There we go. Now that's going to go up to height of 40.5. Oh, hold on. Not done yet. Not done yet. We didn't close this in. Let me do that line. There. 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 Now it's closed in. Yep. Go through it up. So yeah, because this is 6. And it's 43.5 from the center there, so it's going to be 40.5. Yep. 40.5. Okay. Okay, beautiful. Click out of that. Yep, that's looking a lot better. We have to, that should actually go curve up. So we have to put a curve in there. We'll do that in a minute. So that's fine. Let's do one step at a time, piece by piece. Oh. Before we go any further, boss extrude, edit. We want second direction. Through all. And okay. There we go, because that's got to go all the way to the bottom too. So I've got about that part. So that goes all the way to the bottom, so that way it makes it secure. Okay, let me go to normal one. Looking good. Not curved there yet too, so. But let's work down here. So we've got, where are we? Side. Sketch. We want circle. Do that one. That's going to be 6. But before we do, get out of the circle. Let's put these 3 together. Make sure they are vertical. Now, that one to that one, we do there. If we do there, that should be 6. Array is 6 now. And do that one there. There we go. So if we go smart dimension, oh, sorry, radius 3, diameter 6. There we go. Beautiful. Now, we need to cut this stuff out. So if we go to line, just put it all around. Grab that one and make it tangent. Joint point, sorry. Now we want to cut that all the way through. And now we go to feature, extrude, through all, and okay. There we go, that one's done. Now, as I said before, there's so many ways you do this. There's, my way might not be the quickest, might not be correct. The way it's working for me. So you break a product down in your mind how you understand it. So it doesn't matter how you put this together in the thing, the end result is what really matters. Nope. Yeah, sketch. Thank you. Meant to do normal 2 first. So you break things down how you understand it. You try to do as minimum moves, but and you break down little pieces too. So okay, we're going to do this one 6 mil. Radius is 6. Beautiful. Now we want to do. Actually, no. We'll put this on first. I was going to box it in, but let's just see where it joins up first. So those two will go. Oops, sorry. Coincident, yep. This line and this line will go tangent. There we go. Oh, hold on. No. Oh, hold on. Let me put those two as there. Actually, no, hold on. Let me extend that. There we go. And extend that. Okay, so now it's more. That's good. So now we go point there. That's going to be tangent. The line there. Sorry, not point, line. Line. Oh, I think I got too many selected. Tangent. There we go. Beautiful. So if I cut that, it probably cut too much. Yep. I've got no line point. Even though it's connected to that, but it's not connected to that in the sketch. Okay. So there we go there. What's that? Oh, I see. Let's try and work out why there's a line there. It's just the way that worked down. Okay, fair enough. Give me a line there. Let's have a look at that. Oh, no, it's curvature. That's why. Okay. And there. Okay, now that's closed in. Should be. Let's see how that works. Cut that line. Cut that line. There you go. Closed in, but it's unresolved. Items unresolved, items conflict. Why is it conflicting? Maybe that's 6 there. Get rid of it. If I delete that 6, there you go. With that in place, I didn't need that 6 radius there, but I know it's confirmed. That's what I think. Why is it doing that? Okay, so now we're going to, not smart dimension feature, extrude. We're going to go through all. We're going to swap the other way. And okay. There we go. Yeah, because that starts curved there. So maybe that one there, we need to extend that a little bit more. Where's that one? That's cut, not that one. Boss. That one there. Okay, so that's sketch, edit, Okay. So what we need, let me just get out of that one. Get out of that one. Stop and repair. Oh, see, we got too far. Okay, close that. Yeah. So let me do something. Let me go do something. Let me go and evaluate. We got measure there. Let's measure from that point to that line, which is going to be the red one, which is 0.07 feature. Together. That one there. That's sketch. And now do smart dimension. There you go. We add 0.07 to that. That's going to make it 15. So, hold on. Exit out. Thank you. There we go. See, it's fixed it now. Perfect. Perfect. That is perfect. Nice. Okay. Before we go further, let's do normal 2. There's now do sketch. Do this rectangle. Go from this point. Oh wait, it locks in there. So when you go down, you see it'll lock in there. So it was like clicking, not locking, clicking. So now let's do extrude cut. The other way. Oh, I had the right way. Sorry, going from the top, aren't we? Through all and done. There we go. Now let's have a look. So this here should still go. Hard to tell there's a flat surface there or not. Have a look at something. Have a look at something. We go to fillet and we click on that line. What does that do? Ooh, don't like it. Close that. Let's do 1 millimeter, see what happens. Actually, that's looking nice. But first off, let's click the whole thing. Fillet. Click the whole thing. Let's click both of those. And it's going to be, say, 2.5. Let's try that. Nope. 2. Nope. Go back to 1. Oh. Okay, we don't want that going down like that, do we? I'm pretty sure. No. Okay, undo that. Let's just stick with that one there. Guys. Sometimes selecting a face works, other times it won't. Okay, let's do 2, see what happens. Well, that's interesting. Let's try 3. Nope, not 3. 2.5. Nope. 2.2. Nope. 2.1. Nope. Guess 2 it is. 2.05. There you go. Yeah, if we click on that, could we add filter to that? Out of curiosity. Well, that was interesting. You know what? Let's take that filter out because I'm just going to try something. Okay, let's try something. Let's see. Normal 2. We're going to sketch. I'm going to do a line from there to there. from there to there. Now this line and this line has to be parallel. There we go. That's good. I'm not going to scoot this all the way through. Actually, I probably could. I'll just do a cut. I can either do it. Actually, no, I won't. I'll show you a different way. Hopefully. Let's extrude. Make sure it's that way. Up to next. There we go. So it goes up to the next layer. And okay. There you go. Ooh, we didn't want that there. Okay, so we don't want that there. That does not exist. Which it did up to next. It did exactly what I want. That's fine. Let's have a look at that again. Up to surface. We click on that surface. And okay. There you go. That's what we wanted. Perfect. Okay, let's do the same this side. So normal 2. Sketch. Line. From this point to that point. Go up as higher than its slope is. I could go lower, I guess. Now this line and this line make parallel, which then makes it in line with each other because they parallel. Oop. That line and that dot. Oop. There we go. Yes, good. Yep, that's right. Now let's spin that around. We're gonna go feature, extrude, up to surface, but we want the other way around. Thank you. And there, and okay. There we go. See, now that does not. You don't need to cut anything away from there. You could have gone all the way through and done another cut down. Either way works. So, okay, let's save that. Let's look at the fillet now. Fillet. That one and that one. Actually looks nice. It was stick with one. Okay. That's that one done. Perfect. It was keep that one. Add a bit more strength. Okay, so now we need to add 2 holes there. We need curve that one. First off, let's shove these holes in. Another quick save. Let's see. Normal sketch. These holes are 3mm diameter. So, and these are actually in the middle of this thing. If you see there's no center hole there, if you just go on the outside there, next to me, see this shows the center of that circle. So that's one way to do that. And these are 3mm diameter. 3mm diameter. Now that should not be able to get moved. It's black, so it's good. Okay, because it locked into that point. Okay, so that's done. Yep. Let's now go feature, extrude, through all, and okay. There we go. That one's done. Got to look at something on this. Let me do that. Oh, not that one. Let's see. Oh, man, wrong side. Hold on. That's all right. Thank you. Yeah, looking good. Just looking at the diagram there, so looking good. Okay, so now we go there. Now, problem is, this don't give a radius. We want to curve this here. Okay, let's go there, to there, to there. You know what? That looked like pretty good. There's no measurement on that, so we're going to say this is going to be 23 radius. Okay, so now we go line, that point to that point to that point. What's it don't look like closing? Oh, this I'm in the hardly in the thing. That's right. So, okay, feature, extrude, through all, correction, through all, and done. There we go. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Let me just that in. Right one at the top. Okay, that's looking good. No other holes. Oh. But we do have two parts that pins going here, which normally do them separate in real life, but I'm going to include them on this. And these pins are actually press fit, so they are forced in hard. So, you know what? I'm going to do them as separate things. I'm going to do a assembly on it. So, let me do a new file, new template, save 1-38 F pins. Now this is going to be right side. It's going to be circle. It's going to be smart dimension. That's going to be 2 mil. It's going to be feature, extrude, and it's going to be 12. Mid plane 12. Okay. Now we go to fillet. There's 1. And okay. Oh, maybe not 1. Hey, this now I gotta make a pill now. 0.25. Maybe more than that. Yeah, more than that. 0.25. 0.125. There you go. So there's that one done. Okay, so let's now go new assembly MMGS. I want that one in. Perfect. Now we're going to save this save all, thank you. Under assemblies, and this is going to be I'm going to save this 1-38F assembly. There's got there's one part in there, but I want to do those brass things, or the doesn't say it's brass, but these things go on separately. So let me just bring one in, drag it up, drag again, drag again, drag again. What is it? Control. Yeah, that would not do that. Okay, so now let's save that. Rebuild, yep. Mate. Circle. Circle. Beautiful. Circle. Circle. Beautiful. Yeah, just save a little bit of time. I'm going to mate this end with this end. Ooh, I see a mistake. The heck did I... Oh, that ray is 3. I did 2. Oh, I looked at the wrong thing. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. No problems. Now we want 1 millimeter. Perfect. So this side here to that side there. And that's going to be done. That's going to be done. Right. Now it's supposed to be press fit. That's not really pressed. That one. Let's go to boss. That is 3, so it should be 3. Okay. Save. Rebuild. Thank you. There we go. Yes, I'll rebuild and I'll save and all that stuff. There we go. See, 1 mil each side. And that piece is done. Just to make sure everything's good, let me just normalize that. Go into wrong one, that one. There you go. Yeah, if it was out, you would see a circle in there that's like extra circle. That's the fillet. actually outside the pin or the hole. They line up perfectly. That is good. That one there. That one there. So that is that one done. There's part 1-38F reverse arm latch lever done. So thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. If you want to see more or you enjoyed that or helpful, click the like button, subscribe, and leave comments. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.